Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name's Scott. I'm the creator of RC Terminator. And today, it's just something a little strange. I'm actually going to see how fast this arrma is on the dirt. I mean, everybody's done it on pavement, speed run on pavements. I got a nice flat surface, a little bit rough in spots. But I'm going to get this thing up and up. We're going to actually see how quick this thing does, how it handles, and stuff like that. And I haven't run this thing since I repaired it. Remember back in the previous video, which I'll put that in the description below, where we were jumping this thing 60, 70 feet in the air. We were launching this thing, and all that happened was broke the shock tower. You know, the bolt that actually holds the shock. That's all we did to it. So anybody who says these arrmas are weak, yeah, I'm gonna have to beg to differ. I'm gonna give this bad boy a 10 out of 10 because it's tough. I have beat the dog pee out of this thing, and it's been awesome. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this is something you guys are into, and hit that thumbs up. You know, support your channel. Help me out. I appreciate it. We're gonna get right to this video. Alright, here we go. This is arrma talion on 6S. It's definitely pretty fast. I don't know. I wonder if it's the tires that I changed made a difference. This thing comes with them standard little tires. Don't forget, this is only at 70% power. Doesn't even have the upgrade. This is my own stock. Except the tire is the only thing I change. I don't know. I kind of like it. It's quick. It's speed. It's got the low-seas beat. The 8-scale low-seas like this runs a 6S. I think this bad boy got a beat. My buddy's got one. We're going to have to check that through, yeah. He's quick. He's definitely quick. Thought you had you fooled, huh? You thought it was going to be just one of them lame videos where just people just drive and do whatever they want to do and not jump. Well, you know what? We can't do this video without a jump. You know that. You know me. I don't go nowhere without jumping my RC cars. I don't know. Look at that, riding a wheelie down in the dirt. Find me an RC car like that. like the arrma. You know, keep in mind, this is an arrma Talion 6S. It's got like tons of power. It just doesn't have the upright capability like some vehicles do. So we're gonna go grab it. Be right back. You know, guys, I couldn't do the little baby jumps. That's what you bought an arrma for, right? It's made for bashing. So I decided to go on a little bit bigger jump. Look at that, rolled right back on his wheels. Nice. That was my lineup, kind of sunk. Yeah, she just flies so nice in the air. I actually enjoy the arrma Talion. And again, I've got a video description of this thing. Down in the video description, I've got a review. Maybe you guys ought to go check it out if you guys are looking for a nice all-around basher. So everybody has their different reviews about this stuff. I'm going to say my review is a 10 out of 10. I've owned this truck a year now, from the time of this video, and all I've replaced is one bolt. I change the tires because I like something a little wider. It actually seems to help with the jumping, flipping, the all-in-all grip. See how she just flies in the air. She flies like a dream. And I know, guys, this ain't a review on the arrma Talion, but I just wanted to get this thing back out and beat on a little bit. And wanted to share the experience with you guys, let you know what I fixed, how it turned out, and show you that you don't have to be a mechanical engineer to operate and fix RC cars. I mean, just a little bit of common sense goes a long way on these things. Just being observant, watching, making sure things don't break. And if something does break, knowing where to fix it at. Knowing what to fix to handle your problem. Like this thing, I mean, the suspension arm was just flopping. It's like, oh man, I broke the whole suspension arm off. Got into looking a little bit harder. The steering stayed straight, everything else stayed straight. It was just drooping real hard. So I was like, let me look at it. Come to find out, it was just a shock bolt. Awesome. That was a 30-cent fix. Problem solved. And that's what I'm saying. I mean, you don't have to be rich to enjoy the hobby. And do me a favor. This kind of video you guys like, you know, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell, so you can stay up to date with me. And don't forget, I will have more coming. I still have that surprise coming. Just a little bit later than I wanted to, but it's coming, I promise you, and you're not going to want to miss that. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below for me. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let me know what other direction you guys would like me to take. Please help me out here a little bit. I appreciate it. Thank you. And go outside and have some fun, because you know I'm going to. It's a beautiful day, as you guys can see. And God bless you guys. Have a good day.